Why does Amtrak suck in most of the country? Well, to answer that question, let's first look at where Amtrak doesn't suck. The Northeast Corridor is the transportation backbone between Washington, D.C. and Boston. Amtrak owns almost all of the tracks, so they can control all of the services and when to run them. Everywhere else in the U.S., Amtrak does not own the tracks. 90% of railroad tracks in the U.S. are owned by 4 freight companies. And all 4 companies don't even compete against each other, they're actually duopolies, with CSX and Norfolk Southern in the east and Union Pacific and BNSF in the west. Amtrak has to haggle with these companies on how many trains that they can run on their tracks and for how much. Right now, Amtrak is actually in court fighting CSX over running passenger trains between New Orleans and Mobile, Alabama. But things don't have to be like this. Our interstate system is entirely government-owned and private companies can operate on them as long as they abide by the rules and pay tolls. Our railroads should be the same way. The government should own the infrastructure, and nationalizing our rail system would allow for Amtrak to open up and run more services with ease. So if you want better train service in the US, nationalization is the way to go.